Hey guys, if you're watching this video and looking for CMDR, you are probably know where is this program. So I'm not gonna go in detail of this. I'm just gonna tell you that this program is very nice, and it's just a console. Uh, but as a console, it's hard to go around all the files on your computer and find the path you request. So to do this, I'm gonna show you how to add CMDR to the right click options, so you can open it in any path you are open it, or you are clicking on it like that. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, Windows settings, and we're gonna look for about, and in about we're gonna look for advanced setting systems. Okay, what we are looking actually, it's in the environmental variables. Environmental variables, we're gonna click, and in path we're gonna double click it. We're gonna open where we actually copy an unrar or folder of CMDR, and we're gonna copy the path also with the exe file like this. So to do this, we just need to add one and just paste it there. You know how this goes. So you click OK. In this case I didn't, because it's already there. And we're gonna, in the system variable, also do the same as you can see here. Click OK, you click OK and OK, and then we're gonna press on our keyboard Windows R to open this window. Windows R, we're gonna type regedit, we're gonna press OK. It's gonna open this window, and this window I want you to go to classes root. In classes root, we're gonna find directory. After we find directory is gonna be like this. So we open directory, we need to background and the shell. This part of the tutorial, it's placed on a GitHub repository. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna paste this repository on the bottom of the video. We're gonna follow this tutorial to do it. So first of all, we go to directory, background, shell, and then we create a folder CMDR. As you can see it here, I went to shell, and then I created here the new key where you can type it CMD, or in this case it's not gonna let me because there's already a key with the same name. So I'm gonna delete this. CMDR, it's already there, and we're gonna create inside of CMDR another key that's gonna name command. After we do this, it's gonna be always created a default file. So here we're gonna put the label that's gonna be when we right click in any path, what's gonna display it, you know. We put it there, we press OK, and the icon is gonna come up from the folder that's CMDR is placed. But in this case, you just need to add a comma and a 0. We'll press OK. Like you can see it here in the tutorial, it's the same. Of course, this is without quotations. After we do this, we're going to go to command, and in the command part, we're gonna paste this part. In our case, in your case, is probably different as the tutorial as mine, depending on where your CMDR is placed on your disk. So in mine is in C, as you could have seen it, and the environmental variables I showed already. So I'm gonna add just the quotations and this part symbol I don't know if you can see it without the just this. So we're gonna add it, and we're gonna close at the background. Then we're gonna place the directory shell and CMDR. Again, we're gonna create a new one key. So here we're gonna create a new key that's gonna call CMDR. So it's already created, and we're gonna do the same steps. Here in the default, we're gonna put the label display. In the icon, we're gonna put the path, and in the command key, we're gonna put the same as we did last time. And the tutorials are different, but for me it's working. I haven't tried it the other way. I'm sorry guys, I'm too lazy. So after we do this, we can open it. We right click any path that we want to open it. We're just gonna open CMDR. And that's all for this tutorial guys. I hope it was helpful.